Good evening. Our state is staring down the barrel of a 1 in 1,000 year flood disaster. Entire towns are underwater.
To the east, the town of Woodburn on the banks of the Richmond River has been swallowed by fast-moving floodwater. Residents forced to flee their homes in the dead of night.
My sister's place, we didn't think would go under because their house didn't go under in 54. But once the water was like coming up through the floorboards, we just had to go. So we got in the boat.
Cassie Smith spent the night on the Woodburn Bridge with her family as well as her sister's horses. More than 50 residents taking refuge, waiting for help to arrive. This morning, they were transported by boat to the school, which has become a makeshift evacuation hub.
Everyone has lost absolutely everything. It's absolutely devastating. And anyway, so we're here at the evacuation centre and no one has anything. It's like a war zone, like I can't explain it any other way. It really is. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know where we're going to stay. I don't even have a towel. So, and everyone's in the same boat.
Days of intense rain has resulted in flooding far beyond anyone's imagination. The river is expected to reach 7.2 metres this evening, almost 2 metres higher than the previous flood record set in 1954.
Survive is strong, and so are the people.
How long were you stuck out there?
Since Friday.
4 days stranded in his van when the flood cut the road home.
So a couple of scary nights there.
The water has barely dropped, but its destructive force is starting to be exposed.